Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, grade 9. So let's complete unit 1 in the OL. We stopped here. Language functions. How can we make a suggestion? You can use let's and put the infinitive after it. You can use why don't you plus the infinitive. You can use would you like to plus the infinitive. It would be nice to plus the infinitive. Shall we plus the infinitive. What about plus the verb ing or a noun. And how about plus also verb or verb ing or a noun. We can use I suggest plus the verb ing. Like let's go to the cinema today. Why don't we go to the cinema today? Would you like to go to the cinema today? It would be nice to go to the cinema today. Shall we go to the cinema today? What about going to the cinema today? Or how about going to the cinema today? I suggest going to the cinema today. If you want to reply or answer this, you can say it sounds like a great idea. I would love to. That would be great. I'm not sure. If you are refusing this suggestion, you can say I'm not sure. Okay, what's next? Here we have finish the following dialogue. A dialogue between Ziad and Nabil. Ziad said, I'm so bored. The question here. Ziad said, because I have much free time and I don't know what to do. Nabil said again, what about going to the cinema? Ziad answered the question. Another question, I need to watch a comedy film. How will we go there? An answer and an answer. So it's important, but in your mind, it's important to read the whole conversation first, so you can get some ideas about what is the conversation about. So let's answer together here. The first one, I'm so bored. Question, because I have much free time and I don't know what to do. So what's the question here? Can anyone give me any answer? Can anyone give me any answer?
Are you bored?
First, who do we have today? Sundus?
And Rened.
Hi, Sundus. Rinette, are you there? We don't have Rinette today.
We have her. She's here.
She's not answering, so I am not sure. Okay, Sundus. Let's finish this together till she come or till she answer. Okay, the first one. I'm so bored. The question. So what's the question that Zia
Why are you?
said? Because I have much free time and I don't know what to do.
Why are you bored?
Why are you bored? Why are you bored, or why do you feel like that? Okay, the next one. What about going to the cinema?
That's a good idea.
That's a good idea. I'd love to. A question. I need to watch a comedy film. I need to watch a comedy film.
What do you feel like watching?
What kind of movies you can say that this. What kind of movies do you need? Do you need to watch? Or what kind of movie do you want? I need to watch a comedy film. What do you want to watch? Finish this. I need to watch a comedy film. How will we go there?
We can take a bus.
We can take a bus. You can say by bus, by the car. Okay, and the last one, you can finish this conversation saying, "That's good. Okay, I'm interested." Okay. Next, this question. So it's cancelled from grade 9. Okay, but we will answer it like it just for our knowledge. Yeah. Write what you would say in each of the following situations. Number one, your friend suggests going to a restaurant for lunch. So you will answer saying what?
I have no problems.
I have no problems. That's a good idea. You can say, sorry, I'm busy today. It's okay. So both answers are acceptable. Number two, going to a restaurant for lunch. So you are the one who's going to make the suggest. You're gonna say what?
What about having lunch together today?
What about having lunch at a restaurant today? Let's have lunch together today. How about having? Why don't we have? So we have a lot of structures to use. Okay. This is taste on unit one. Since we finished unit one, alhamdulillah. The first question here is the dialogue. Number one, it's a dialogue between Ibrahim and Mustafa. Let's read it first. Ibrahim said, "Where are you going?" And answer, "The airport." Question, "To meet my uncle." What time does your uncle's plane arrive? An answer. Question, "I'll go there in a taxi." What about going in my car? An answer. So let's do this together, yes, Ondos. Where are you going?
To the airport.
To the airport. The airport. Question, "To meet my uncle."
Why are you going there?
Why are you going there? To meet my uncle. What time does your uncle's plane arrive?
At 3 p.m.
At 3 o'clock, at 7 o'clock, as you like. Okay. I will go there in a taxi.
How will you go
How
there?
will you go there? What about going in my car?
Sounds good idea. Okay.
Sounds good idea. That's okay. Thank you. Okay. Next, reading comprehension. This board is question 2. I think it's something new for grade 9. You didn't take this in grade 8 or 7. So here we have some words. He wants you to read and complete the text with these words from the following. We have to, we have peaceful, we have transport, we have from, we have use and makes. So let's read this and complete with me. Cairo in Egypt has the best in Africa. The best what?
Transport.
Transport in Africa. Because metro trains and buses travel to all parts of the city. If you want to get somewhere quickly, fast metro trains leave حلوان to المرج. Leave from حلوان to المرج, including the airport. It's quite on the Nile, so ferries are, and they are also easy to. So ferries are what? And they are easy to what?
Peaceful.
They are peaceful and they are easy to
Use.
Thank you. Yes. The last one, it is interesting to see famous buildings from the water. We have finished this. Is it easy?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. So I'd like to pay your attention that this depends on the text or on the reading texts in our book. Okay? Read the following text, then answer the questions. So let me read this for you. We have this one. In Australia, many families live a long way from a town, so the nearest school is often very far away. For this reason, many children attend a very different kind of school. It's called the School of the Air because the students have lessons over the radio. Most areas have a school like this for children between 4 and 12 years old. They study at home but they are still members of a class. The children have radio lessons with their class 3 times a week. Each lesson is about 30 minutes. Students also have a 10-minute private lesson with their teacher once a week. The school provides the radio, books, videos, and other resources. The children send their work to the teacher once a week. The teachers prepare the lessons and the children's parents help them to do their work at home. Teachers and students also communicate by phone, fax, and email, and the teacher visits children at home at least once a year. The School of the Air may sound like a strange idea for the isolated students of Australia. It's the only way to learn. So choose the correct answer. Number one, students in Australia attend the School of the Air because their families, no, A, live far from a town, B, live near a town, B, are disabled, C, live near a town, D, do not like schools. So the right answer is what?
A.
A, live far from a town. 2, the children of this school have their lessons over the
Radio.
radio, tablet, TV, laptop, radio. The underlined word they refers to the, let's be back here, but they are still members of a class. They refers to schools, families, students, teachers.
Students.
Students. So what is the best title for this passage? What is the best title for this passage? Any idea?
Maybe schools all over the air مثلا.
You can
All
say
over.
air schools. Air schools. So everything is accepted, by the way, since it's related to the passage. Why it is called the School of the Air? Why? Let's be back here. Why? So it is called the School of the Air because, here in the third line, because the students,
Have lessons over the radio.
yes, have lessons over the radio. This is the answer. Thank you. Okay, number 6. Do you think the School of the Air is a good idea for the isolated students of Australia, and why? So in this question,
Yes.
do you think both answers are accepted? Yes or no, but you must give me a reason saying why. So Sundus said yes. Why yes, Sundus?
Because it gives students who live far away from schools
Yes, it gives them the chance so they can attend
to be
school like
educated.
their friends, or like their yes, like the other students. Thank you. Yes. Next, here we have vocabulary and structures. Choose the correct answer from A, B, C, or D. Number 1, to make a negative form of natural, we add the prefix
Un.
Yes, it will be unnatural. Number 2, the synonym of the word attractive is the synonym, which means the same meaning.
Interesting.
Interesting. Is Rinad here?
Yeah.
We have Rinad? Yes. We have another one. I don't know who's. No? Okay. Thank you. After that, number 3. The antonym of the word true is The antonym, which means the opposite of the word true,
False.
is
False.
false. Yes. Number 4, a what is something that people build to remember?
Monument.
Monument. Yes. Number 5, we add the suffix to the end of the word east to change it into an adjective.
ERN.
Yes, it will be Eastern. Thank you. Number 6, it's easy to break. To break what? Pottery, metal, trains, iron.
Pottery.
Pottery. Yes. So you will have only 6 to choose in the exam. So by the way, this is the same order of questions that you're gonna have in your OL exam, inshallah. We start first. Let's be back. We start with the conversation, the dialogue. Then you will complete. After that, the reading comprehension, and after that, number 4 is that choose, and then you will complete the sentence with the correct form, and the last thing is the writing. So it's easy. Let's be back to question 5. Complete the sentence with the correct form of the words in brackets. Number 1, they aren't like fish. They
Don't.
don't like fish. Yes. Number 2, Heba doesn't what? Homework. Heba doesn't homework.
Do.
Do. Number 3, Ahmed goes to school foot.
On.
On foot, yes. Number 4, May finished her housework night. Night.
At.
At, yes. Number 5, Kareem plays sports Friday.
On.
On Friday. Writing. Write a short story that happened on a train. Okay. Do you have any idea for that?
I have a bit of
No?
fantasy.
What? What is on this?
Have one like
Okay.
quite.
Yani, I'd like you, if you write this in your notebook and just answer, try to answer it. So it's just an idea for something you can write about. A short story
Maybe.
about something that happened on a train. Okay. Unit 2. Let's start this one. The title of the unit is what? Let's go shopping. The important vocab here, let's read them together. We have the word quality, traditional, battery, jewelry, instructions, microwave. By the way, what does the word micro mean? Micro means what?
Little.
Little, yes, something small. Thank you. Okay. And the word traditional, if we cancel the AL, it will be what? So
Tradition.
traditional is an adjective. If we cancel the AL, it will be tradition. Tradition is a what? Is a
Quite
verb?
similar to the word custom.
Is it a verb? I'm asking about the kind of the word. Is it a verb? A noun? Adverb? Hmm? Tradition. The word tradition alone. It's a what?
Noun.
Noun. Yes, thank you. So we use the AL to change the noun into an adjective. We have next. We have survey, shop assistant, customer. Do you have any other word equal customer? A synonym for the word customer?
Client.
Client, yes. Shells, town center, stone, designs. You have the word deal, toaster, discount, it's something like a deal also. Delivery, horrible. Do you have another adjective equal horrible?
Terrible.
Terrible, yes. Special. Do you have another word equal special?
Ideal.
Ideal, you can use the word unique.
Unique.
You can use
Unique.
you can use the word also. You will have the, when we study inshallah together, you will have the word practical also. It can be used, and the word what else special, important also. Okay, we have here sale, order, complaint. Complaint means when you do not like something, so you will make a complaint. Like, let's say that you ordered a kettle online, and the delivery was late, the kettle was broken, you didn't like it. So you will call them actually and make a complaint. So did you get the meaning of the word complaint?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, when you do not like something and you will be back again to talk about it, or to tell them about it. The word complaint is a noun. In order to form the verb, it's complain. So we will drop the ta. Okay? So complaint with the ta, with the t, is a noun. The verb is complain. Next, we have company, decorated, handicraft, charge, offer, password, price, advert, review, website, mixture, trusted, machine, speaker, guess, damage, and earn. Earn usually, or it's common when it's come with earn money. Earn money. We have here the preposition and expressions. Let's finish this today. We have the word turn on. Turn on equal what? Quickly. Turn on equal
Open.
turn on equal equal what?
Open.
Open.
Okay, open. And I'd like, okay, there is another word. Another word with another preposition also. It's equal switch on. And the opposite or the antonym is turn off or switch off.
Let's switch off.
Yes. Then we have call back, fill in. You know, fill in means what? To fill in, to write your information in something, in a paper, in a website. So fill in means to write your information. Plugged in, plugged in to connect a device with the electricity. Plugged in. We have leave for, find out about, which means discover. We have famous for and popular with, have the same meaning. Send much money on, spend much money on. Let's say Amir spends much money on traveling, maybe. Spends much money on what? On is it traveling? On anything. On what?
Books.
On what?
Books.
Books, yes, on books,
They
maybe.
become very expensive.
Yes. Okay. It's your habit. Okay. We have here have a big discount. We have ask for something, like ask for information. We have answer a complaint, and also make a complaint. So be attention. It's make, not do. We don't have the word do a complaint. It's wrong. We have make a complaint. Also, we have here pros and cons. It's the same like advantages and disadvantages. Congratulations on, congratulations on getting the full mark in the quiz. Verb plus ing after it. Log in. Like log in means to start to use a system, like log in your laptop to start using it. Get a free speaker as a present for, and wait for deals or discounts. Next, what do we have here? We have the vocabulary building, the word, the synonyms, and the antonyms. Easy equal simple. The antonym is difficult. Loud equal noisy. The antonym is low. We have quick equal fast. The antonym is slow. Positive equal useful, good, helpful. The antonym is negative. Famous equal known and popular. The antonym is unknown. Start equal begin, and the opposite is finish and end. The prefix and suffix. Okay. We have the D or the ED. We use it to change the verb into an adjective, like trusted, decorated, excite, and excited. The ER, we use it to change the verb into a noun, like rob, robber, speak, speaker, sell, seller, and customer. Full, we use it also to change the noun into an adjective. Color, it will be colorful, and beauty, it will be beautiful. The tah, we use it to change the verb into a noun, and we said this before. Like complain, it will be complained. The UN, we use it to give the opposite. Known, unknown, happy, unhappy. NIN, also we use it to give the antonym. Expensive, the opposite is inexpensive. Also we have cheap, the word cheap, but here he wants you to use N. Inexpensive. I think we will stop till here to this lesson, so you can study this well. Do you have any questions? Guys, do you have any
No,
questions, girls?
thanks.
No thanks.
Yeah, everything is okay for today?
Yeah,
Yeah.
If you have any question, you know that you can contact me and send me your questions. Okay, thank you.
you're so welcome.
See you next time, inshallah.
Sure.